Okay, the next one, if the base is 0, okay, base is 0, very straightforward. 0, let's say minus 2 versus, oh sorry, 2, let's say 4. 0 times 0 is still 0. If I put a power of 4, 0 times 0 times 0 is still 0. For example, what about if you have a out root, okay, 0, 5. If you times 3 times is still 0. 5 times is still 0. So it's always 0, 0. Now, y. Y is a number in between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 to 1. For example, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 2 over 3. All this is lying in between here. Oh, sorry, here, between here, 0 to 1. Okay, now, as usual, if you even root, you always get positive. Odd root, you got positive. Why positive? Because the base is positive. 0 to 1 is a positive base. Okay, so whether you're odd root or even root is still positive. Now, see, the same reason, if you take a number in between 0 to 1 or 0 to 1, let's say 1 over 4, the more you multiply, the more power you put, it becomes smaller and smaller. Okay, so the absolute value decreases. Absolute value also decreases. Okay, no different if the base is the same, positive, positive. 1, if your base is 1, no matter what is your exponential, is still 1. Okay, whether it's an odd or even, it's still 1. Okay, now z is a number that is more than 1. Can be 2, can be 2.5, 1.6, 100, 1000. So you have an even root, you also positive. You have an odd root, also positive. Why? Because the base is positive. In this case, it's different. Now, for example, I have 3 versus 3, let's say is 4. This 9, this 81. So you increase the even the power, okay, the exponential, you will increase the value. Okay, if you increase the exponential. What about if I have 3 to the power of 3 versus 3 to the power of 5? You notice that is because the base is all positive, so this becomes 27. Okay, 27 times 9. See, this is sun. 246. Okay, this is 246. So you have a positive base of 3. Your exponential, whether it's positive, whether it's odd or even, doesn't matter. You will continue to increase. Okay. I mean, in summary, is this: if your base is a fraction, okay, that is in between 0 to 1 or 0 to minus 1, if you increase the exponential, okay, the absolute value will decrease. Okay, like 1 over 4. If you increase this, it becomes smaller. The value becomes smaller and smaller. Similarly, when your base is from 0 to minus 1, in between, okay, in between, doesn't include 0 and minus 1. If you increase the power or the exponential, you will notice that the value become over here, this one, this one, when x is in between 0 to -1, you see that 1 is positive. When you have an even power, odd power is negative. Okay, and as you know, if you have a fraction, okay, 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 5, if you go and keep on multiply, it becomes smaller and smaller, just like this case or this case. Okay, it becomes smaller. The absolute value becomes smaller and smaller. This 1 over 4 to power 2, 1 over 3, 1 over minus 1.5 to power 3. You notice that it becomes 1 over 8 is smaller than 1 over 4. Okay, so this gives you the basic understanding. The critical part is here, between 0 to -1, and then from the positive between 0 to 1. Okay, this part here and this part here, we make the value become smaller and smaller. The absolute value becomes smaller and smaller. That's it.